Hi guys, what we have here today is a TAT-Omega ceiling fan from dating around about 1988, I think, because that's when the house was built and the design of it matches up from that era. This has got it's a 4 rattan blade ceiling fan. Yeah, this one had a bad capacitor, so when I got it, I put it on the test jig, as you can see up there, and I switched it on and the thing spun slow and stupid. So I took the capacitor out, checked it with a multimeter, and it tested bad, so I had to order a new one from Motion Dynamics. And when I tested it after fitting the new capacitor on, this thing took off like a top. You'll see how fast this thing runs in the video. This fan, I believe, was Omega's first mix and match type fan. Omega was known for doing that with their fans, a mix and match like their Apollo ceiling fans, which I do have one. That's on the bucket list for a video. So essentially, for those of you who don't know what a mix and match fan is, it's essentially like where you buy the blades and the motor separately instead of all in one box, so you can create custom finishes. Some of them had the option for stencil blades, so you could actually attach stencil blades on this as well. The motor design is big and beefy, should I say. It's got a bigger diameter than what you normally see. It's essentially a bigger diameter than the one that's in my room, which is actually a pile of shit, but never mind. So it's very similar in design to the Martec fans that were around at that time, where it has a UFO shaped motor, but instead the top and bottom diameters are tapered instead of rounded like the UFO motor ones. This fan came with its original 5-speed controller, as you can see right there. Omega. I like that font too, by the way. Looks cool. Yeah. Not really a whole lot to say about this fan, is that it's an absolute powerhouse. Yeah. Anyways. Oh, also, the finish on this fan, it looks white, but it's actually a beige color. Yes, this has got a bit of a beige. This was an available finish for the fan as well. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get to the demonstration, shall we? Alright, here is high speed. As you can see as I stay in the video, this fan absolutely floors it on high speed. It's a fast fan, this one, and it is throwing a great deal amount of air too for a rattan blade fan. I think it's rivaling with some of the Mistral rattan blade fans that were available too. It's probably the most powerful rattan blade fan I own today. However, I think the only drawbacks with these were their capacitors. They didn't have the most reliable capacitors in them like this one had, which led to their downfall a bit. A lot of them I've seen on YouTube videos and stuff, some of them had bad capacitors, which is a darn shame because, you know, these fans, like, I think they're really good, like for a rattan blade fan, to be honest. Yeah, it's quiet too. There's a little bit of wobble and there's no bearing noise. Okay, here it is in reverse.